What happens when software gets built 10 times faster than humans can check it? AI now writes code in minutes instead of days, cutting development time by almost 90% in many teams. That speed sounds exciting, but who is actually making sure nothing breaks after the code is done? For years, software teams moved slowly because they had no choice. Writing code took time, and testing took even more time. A single feature could take weeks from idea to release. Teams planned carefully, releases were spaced out, and bugs often stayed for days or weeks before getting fixed. That pace controlled everything. Now AI has changed that equation completely. AI tools can generate usable code 5 to 10 times faster than human developers, and in some cases, even more. New features are built in hours instead of days. Daily updates are becoming normal. Experiments cost less time and less money. But once code becomes easy to produce, coding stops being the real challenge. Trust becomes the challenge, because fast code that breaks things is worse than slow code that works. AI coding tools are everywhere now, and the numbers show a massive speed jump. Many teams report development speed increasing by nearly 10 times, while some internal reports mention jumps closer to 20 times for repetitive tasks. A few extreme cases even describe 40 times faster prototyping. But testing has not scaled the same way. QA processes are still built for slow releases, not daily ones. Manual checks and step-by-step reviews cannot keep up with non-stop changes. As a result, bugs appear more frequently and reach production faster. Small issues that would have been caught earlier now reach users directly. Teams start trusting luck instead of verification, and that gap is where modern software starts breaking down. This is where the new Chinese AI agent starts to matter. Instead of focusing only on writing more code, this agent focuses on protecting what gets built. The idea is simple but powerful. If AI can generate software faster than humans, then AI must also take responsibility for quality. This agent is designed to behave like a full QA system, not a basic testing tool. It checks software continuously, questions assumptions, and looks for weak points. The goal is not just to pass tests, but to earn confidence. In a world where change happens daily, that kind of protection is becoming essential, not optional. Most testing tools today follow a fixed script. They check whether things work when everything goes right. That covers only a small part of real-world usage. In reality, most failures come from edge cases. Users enter unexpected data, refresh pages too fast, switch devices, or use poor network connections. Studies show that over 70% of critical production bugs come from scenarios that were never part of the main test flow. This Chinese AI agent is built to hunt those problems. It actively tries to break the product. It does not trust the happy path. It keeps testing until weaknesses are exposed. Traditional automated testing only does what it is told to do. It follows scripts written in advance and stops when those scripts pass. This new agent works differently. It looks at feature goals, release notes, and even incomplete requirements. Then it starts testing like a human QA engineer. It checks normal flows, then questions them, then pushes into strange paths. The focus is not proving success, but discovering failure early. Research shows that exploratory testing can catch up to 30% more critical issues than scripted tests alone. By automating this thinking layer, the agent helps teams find problems before users do. One standout feature of this agent is automated weekly QA. Every week, the full application is tested again, even if no major changes were planned. This matters because AI-assisted development often creates small changes that add up quietly. Over time, quality can degrade without anyone noticing. Weekly QA acts as a safety net. It catches regressions early and prevents long-term damage. For small teams, this replaces hours of manual checks. For solo builders, it offers protection they normally cannot afford. Data from SaaS teams shows that regular regression testing can reduce production issues by nearly 40% over time. This agent goes beyond testing and steps into operations. It can respond to traffic changes and help scale applications automatically. Normally, scaling is handled through infrastructure planning and manual monitoring. That process takes time and expertise. With this agent, scaling behavior becomes part of the system itself. If traffic increases suddenly, the agent reacts immediately. This reduces downtime and performance issues, which studies show can cause up to 20% user drop-off during peak failures. At that point, the agent no longer feels like a tool. It behaves more like a teammate. Fast development sounds ideal, but it changes how teams behave. When updates ship daily, testing often gets skipped. Decisions rely more on instinct than data. Releases go out with the hope that nothing breaks. That mindset creates risk. A broken checkout flow can impact revenue immediately. A sign-up issue can reduce conversions by 10 to 30% in days. A small UI bug in one region can silently frustrate thousands of users. Bugs have always existed, but the impact of bugs is bigger now, because more users depend on software in real time. Q&A used to be treated as polishing, something done at the end. Today, Q&A directly affects growth. Reliable software keeps users active. Smooth onboarding increases retention. Stable pricing flows build trust. Data shows that even a 1-second delay or small UI bug can reduce conversions by up to 7%. This AI agent treats Q&A as a final result, not a checklist. The goal is confidence at scale. That shift turns Q&A into a competitive advantage rather than a cost center. Most teams test their main product features well. Dashboards, core actions, and primary workflows usually get attention. But growth often depends on areas outside that core. Landing pages drive first impressions. Onboarding decides whether users stay. Pricing pages turn interest into revenue. These areas are often ignored because they look simple. Data shows that small issues on onboarding pages can reduce activation rates by over 20%. This agent includes these surfaces in its Q&A process and treats them as high-risk areas. Modern software is global from day one. Users come from different countries, devices, and browsers. What works in one region may fail in another. Date formats, language layouts, payment methods, and screen sizes all vary. The phrase, "it works here," is no longer safe. Studies show that regional bugs can go unnoticed for weeks while hurting engagement. This AI agent tests software from multiple regional perspectives and catches issues before customers do. Good Q&A means thinking like real users, not developers. Users rush, click randomly, misunderstand instructions, and make mistakes. And this agent tests from those perspectives without getting tired. It combines empathy and paranoia to catch issues at scale. This points to a bigger shift toward hybrid teams, where AI handles execution and humans focus on judgment and strategy. As AI tools spread, speed becomes cheap and quality becomes rare. The teams that win will be the ones that build trust. With AI already producing software at record speed, smarter Q&A is the only way to ship fast without breaking things. This is not just another AI update. It signals where the software world is heading. AI builds faster than ever, and now AI is learning to protect what it builds. That shift could redefine how teams ship products. The real question is whether Q&A is about to become the biggest advantage in modern software. Thoughts are always welcome in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.